why I started and I continue this YouTube channel, is because I get to test out some amazing technology. And tonight, and yes, I'm doing it at night on purpose, is because we are testing out, look at this. These are night vision binoculars. They have huge abilities to zoom in at nighttime and to see in the complete darkness. Now these are infrared and they are completely digital, and they're going to blow your mind. And I'm going to demonstrate tonight just how amazing these are. Now you're probably asking, what would you use these for? And well, that's simple. If you live anywhere in the country, if you have a farm, I have a farm right now. This is a 10-acre farm. We have a lot of animals between bear, deer, moose, yes, fox, bobcats, all these other things that you may have, predators, or if you're a hunter and you're scouting, this is going to show you where everything is at, especially in the pitch black at nighttime. Now, what we need to do first is take a quick look at just how good these look right through here. Now, they do have a tripod mount, and I have that right there, but you can see right here. Now, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold this button right here, and that's going to turn it on. And it may be hard to see, but you can actually use these as regular binoculars. So let's see if you can see this. It's hard to see, but you can most certainly see everything out. So it's as plain as day. It's just digital binoculars at that point. But if we change the way things look, but by a simple click of a button, you go to night mode. And actually, maybe we should just go ahead and go into night mode. What do you think? All right, let's jump into it. So now you see me, and now you don't. This is the total darkness, and about 50 feet away, I am now looking at you from the binoculars, and you are seeing me from 50 feet away, because what I didn't tell you is that the binoculars also record in full HD, and you are seeing me plain as day in the dead of night. Now I have both cameras running at the same time, and what I'm going to do is turn on my video camera from my actual phone, and now I have my camera onto my phone, and just check this out. This is what it looks like. There's the infrared. You can see that coming off the binoculars. This is the camera right here. You can see this is my ZV-1. That thing's awesome, right? I love Sony cameras. And we are walking over to the binoculars, and check this out. Look at this. This is what you're seeing right here. Let me turn the flash off. Look at that. That is clean as day, and this is your digital picture. This is what you would expect. Let me turn the camera this back on. Is that not insane? Is that not insane? Look at that. That's absolutely incredible. Okay, now we're going to zoom out. You can see I am very, very far away. It's hard to see, but let's back this up. Okay, you can see, we can see from the binoculars right here, we can see the camera plain as day. And let me just show you. This is from the camera right through here. It's right there. It's all the way past. That green tripod is the light tripod. It is not the camera tripod. The camera tripod is way past down through there. But you can see right through here, right there, it is plain as day. It's so easy. You can see nothing. Can you believe how incredible that is? That is 500 feet away easily. So I think at the end of the day, whenever you look at these binoculars, maybe you can see, and I tried to do continuous shots, the value in being able to see in the darkness, animals, other things, just a lot of stuff. You can see anything that's in your woods. Now I have this set up on a tripod because it's easier for me to stabilize and to really maneuver as I'm filming, but I will say it's not that hard. It actually does have curvature here, has place for your nose, just to hold it like this. And it actually is more like 4D, so it creates a more, I guess, almost reality, and you get involved in the scene and it seems very close to you, but you're far away. Anyways, if you are interested in these, please click the link down below. They're not that expensive for what you get. Now, would I suggest using these with a weapon? Absolutely not. You should not use these with a weapon. They are magnified, and I'm telling you, even at the base magnification, which is 0, and they go from 0 to 10, even at 0, you need to be at least 30 to 40 feet away just to see what you're really looking at. And that's the whole point of these, right? So you're not going to be able to look through a scope or look at iron sights or look down any type of floating levelers if you have any types of bows. Believe me, I do quite a bit of shooting, and these are not meant for that. These are meant to see broad areas from a distance so you can really understand what's going on in the dark. Now, like I said, go down below and do the research yourself. Look up other ones. Tell me what you think. I think for the value, the abilities, and what this has built into it, between the 9 different, well, you'll find this, it has 9 different lighting zones in your infrared night vision mode. Then you have just typical binoculars in the daytime. That's your daytime mode. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool, and I am so happy to be able to review another really cool tool and technology for you all. If you did like this, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I do appreciate that. And do me a huge favor, share the video. Whenever you share the video, that gets out to people who may not have otherwise have seen the video. And until next time, get out there, go build something, try something new, and if you make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, and then pass on your solutions to the next generation. And I think that we will all be better for it at the end of the day. And until next time, I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Take care. I can't wait to see you again.